In this session, we are going to implement design and the respective simulation of full wave bridge rectifier. So, here is the respective circuit for us. We have designed this circuit in the PSpice software. So, here we are having this bridge rectifier, means we know that we will be requiring 4 pieces of diodes. So, these are the 4 pieces of diodes. So, while constructing this circuit, you should remain very much careful regarding the polarity, regarding the anode and cathode of these diodes placements. And this is one sinusoidal waveform, it has to be rectified, and this is our 1K resistance as a load. So, this is the circuit for the full wave bridge rectifier with this ground. Do not miss this ground, because if you miss any ground in this analog circuits, then the error message, that is a common error message which will be obtained, is that the circuit is floating. So, whenever that sort of error messages will be coming, always remember that you have missed the ground connection. So, let me go for the part list. What are the parts required in this circuit construction? So, we require this Vcin, we require D1N4002 diode part name, and then we are requiring this R, and we require this ground earth. So, now how to do the respective experiment. And this is the respective parameters whatever we have set for the Vcin, and we have listed that one into details. Analysis setup transient has to be adjusted. So, print step made that one as 0 nanosecond, and final time, that is the 2 millisecond. So, for the 2 millisecond time we shall be going to get the simulation output. In the simulation output, we are having this time span which is ranging from 0 second to 2 millisecond. So, along the x axis whatever we have plotted is nothing but the time, and here we are having these 2 plot windows we are having. So, here we have plotted this one, that is the VIP, that is the VIP, and here we have plotted this IR1. So, this is my I VIP and this is my IR1. So, I have listed that one accordingly. So, in this way we can find that this input waveform has been rectified in the respective output waveform like this. So, as it is a full wave, so I am not missing any one of the hubs of this sinusoidal waveform. So, I think it is better if you go for one practical demonstration where I can show you that how to implement the same in PSpice software, how to design the circuit and how to do the respective simulations, setting the parameters in the setup, and we are getting the simulation output, how to get these 2 plot windows, how to map them accordingly. So, here is the practical demonstration for you for the better understanding. We shall go for circuit design for full wave bridge rectifier with simulation output. So, here I require one V sinusoidal, 4 pieces of diodes, 1 resistance and 1 ground earth. So, let me take those parts from the parts list. So, V sign is this one. So, I am taking this V sign. Then I require 1 resistance also, and then 4 diodes. So, I shall go for D1N. So, diodes are there. Pressing Ctrl R for the rotate. Let me set the parameters also. Amplitude are given as 12 volt and the frequency of 1 kilohertz. So now let us go for setup analysis. Clicking on here, transient. So here I shall go for 2 millisecond, because 1 kilohertz frequency means the time period it will take as 1 millisecond. So 2 millisecond means I shall be getting 2 cycles. So I've got it. I can make it little bit zoomed so that you can view better. So it's okay. Now I shall go for the simulation. So here I can click or I can press F11 for the simulation. You see, the simulation is not coming here. There is no way to add any trace. That means there is some wrong with the circuit. What is the wrong with the circuit? I didn't have any ground. So that's why it is called floating circuit. So ground earth should be brought there and it should be connected. Otherwise, you cannot get the simulation output. So here one plot screen is there. I'm going for add trace. I'm going for IR1. So let me go for another plot window, add plot to window. So there is another window I'm bringing, and here I want to plot V1 so that you can see that what is the input and what is the output we are getting. So that is depicting full wave rectifier output, and we have done this one using bridge rectifier. And so the circuit design we have done and the respective output has been obtained through simulation, and it is finding that the circuit is working according to our requirement, and this is the circuit and that was the simulation output. So please do the practice at your end, and if you are having any kind of doubts, if you require any kind of further clarifications, please write to us, and thanks for watching this video.